Hi Wilga, this is Candace, and I just wanted to give you a quick little tutorial here. Hopefully it will help you out a little bit. So I logged in as you, and this is what should pop up on your Canvas site. So you can see up here the website dot.instructure.com, and what will pop up first is your dashboard. And that shows your 3 courses that you are invited to, which is Core 110, Core 120, and BUAD 101. Bolt 039 is a course that can give you just a little bit more information about online learning. And I would highly recommend it once you get caught up, because it's important that you get caught up in your course first. So we have your 3 courses here, and then on the right side of your screen you'll have this to-do list, and this is going to be based off of your due date. So your most important lessons are going to be at the top. It'll be like a little announcement icon right here. This is an assignment, this is a reading, and so if we show all, you're going to see all that you have due today. It'll list off your Communication Foundations assignments that are due today, and it looks like your English Comp. It tells you when it's due and how many points it's for, and it kind of goes all the way through the dates here. So another view to look at what you have due is clicking on the calendar, and that can be really helpful too to show, okay, how can I budget my time here, and what are some things in advance. The other thing that you can do, go back to your dashboard. Let's see here. I want to get, here I'm just going to go to my courses here. And you can choose which course you want to work on. So let's say you want to work on your business course. And on your business course, your welcome home screen will have all the general information that you need. And then in here is listed the different modules. And this is the same for each course. If you click on the module, you're going to come up to the learning guide. And the learning guide will tell you, give you an introduction, objectives, and it will tell you what you need to accomplish. So it tells you the dates up here, and then it will also tell you what are the different things that you need to accomplish this week, this module, for this course. So that's the business. If you go to communications, the same thing. Melody Kane is your professor. You've got all your different weeks. So she calls them weeks instead of modules. If you click on that, the learning guide will come up. Very typically, they have some videos to watch, and then also the assignments that are all due this week. And again, I'm going to do that with the English Composition course as well. Looks like your professor in English Composition has a few announcements for this first week. She has an intro video, and then we've got 8 modules. So her modules are going to be 2 weeks in length instead of 1 week modules. And if you click on the module, the learning guide will come up with the dates, a little video from her. Okay, so the next thing you were wondering, how do I submit my homework? So if you click on the assignment that you are needing to submit, so this is the professor email assignment, and you go, let's see here, she wants you to look at the syllabus. Okay, I'm guessing that there's not anything that you need to submit on this assignment. Let's go to the next assignment here. The syllabus quiz. This is where you would just take the quiz. You'd hit begin. Looks like you can take it twice if you need to. Gives you 15 minute time frames. And then at the end you would hit submit. I'm going to go to the next assignment that you have within Module 1. She wants you to watch this video. and look at the rubrics. Trying to find, okay. This is talking a little bit about the discussions and how to do them. And it looks like you can reply to the discussion by clicking on the reply. And you would put your entry right here and hit post reply. If you want to reply to somebody else's post, you would hit the reply underneath their post. So that's the discussion. And I want to show you an assignment here where you submit an article. Here we go, the writing experience. How do I? So the instructions. I'm sorry. I'm going to go to a different course because it looks like I'm not showing you real quickly here. I apologize. I should have been more prepared. Right here. Okay, never mind. That assignment is locked. I'm struggling here. This one, business around you. Okay, so this assignment is due. I'm struggling here. Oh, I apologize. Okay, Wilga, I'm so sorry. On the assignment at the top is a blue button that says Start Assignment. You probably saw that the whole time. So what you would do is you choose a file, and you would have saved this under somewhere on your computer where you've created the file, you've used a Word document or a PDF, either one is fine, and you've saved it on your computer, and you would choose that file and hit Open, and that would then allow you to hit the Submit Assignment. So again, at the top, Start Assignment, and that's where you would enter and submit your assignment. Okay, so hopefully this was just a quick little tutorial that was helpful to you, and I just encourage you to let me know if you have any more questions. I would love to do a Zoom meeting if you need that as well, okay? Thanks, Wilga. Bye-bye.